Why? Why are you standing in line in 2025 to check your property tax? Why? Hi, I'm your local realtor Raquel, and today I'm here to show you how easy it is to check your property tax balance. So first things first, you're going to get your own property tax receipt, or your property tax advice, or your property tax reminder. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select my web browser. Let's double click on that. Then I'm going to go into Google search. I'm going to go ahead and type in property tax query online. It has pop up, so I'll just click on select property tax query online. You'll be given two options. There's one there for eGov Jamaica Limited, and there is one for Tax Administration Jamaica. Usually I select eGov Jamaica Limited because it is more reliable. Here it says Jamaica Tax Administration Online Property Tax Query. It says this property tax online query facility allows you to view your property tax obligations, payments, and outstanding amounts over 7 years. After viewing, you may proceed to make payments by logging onto the TAJ portal. You may also generate and print your payment advice for payment at any tax office. Alright, you're going to go ahead and enter your valuation number. And your valuation number may be found on your property tax receipt. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and enter your valuation number, and your valuation number is an 11-digit number located on your left of your property tax receipt. It is also on your property tax advice and on your property tax reminder. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and enter my valuation number. And when you are entering these numbers, you do not enter any hyphen or dash, only the numbers, only the 11 digits. Go ahead and hit submit. Alright, so here you'll see a display of your valuation number, your strata lot number if you have one, the owner's name, property address, and the value of your land. And please note that that is the unimproved value. Scrolling further down, you will see your account summary. It displays the years, the tax obligation, any penalty, interest, total due, total paid, and total outstanding. And once you scroll all the way down to the end, to your right, you will see your total outstanding, and this person is 0 because they have settled all outstanding. So it gives you the option to go ahead and print your payment advice, or you can go ahead and just take a screenshot for reference. It It also gives you the option to pay your property tax. So this button will take you to the TAJ portal. And there you have it. It's quite easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, go ahead and give it a like and also subscribe for more videos like this.